much for your interest in our software. In this short 1-minute video, I'll be sharing with you our software dashboard and the modules that we offer. So for companies like yours, I'm sure you agree that managing your inventory accurately and properly plays an important role for just-in-time delivery to your customers. Therefore, we have this inventory reorder alert that will alert you when your inventory level hits the minimum holding quantity in your warehouse. We also do have a goods receiving summary for those purchase orders that you have sent to your suppliers pending for their delivery. So this is the delivery date that they have mentioned, and this is to ensure that your raw materials arrives on time for your production to start. Other than that, we also do have a few sales widgets, such as your top selling products and your top 10 customer sales. So now this is a high-level workflow diagram for your company. We have all the modules fully integrated, such as the sales module for your salesperson to do a sales quotation, a sales order, the production module, the inventory management module, the logistics module, as well as the finance, accounts, and the HR module. So, for an in-depth demo or discussion, drop us a call or email and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much.